Hello everybody, this is the second garbage disposal I've been asked to look at in this house. The first one I had to do a total replacement, and I thought since everybody was talking I'll probably put that one on as a short with audio, but the homeowner has left to go shop, so I'm here to look at this one. This one is obviously filled full of stuff. Looks like there's a bunch of eggshells that didn't go down. I flip the switch and I can hear a humming. That usually means we have a blockage that we might be able to take care of with the wrench. This one is a Waste King brand, so there's no spot for a wrench under here like a Syncerator, so I'll have to take it apart. I took this one off. It is jammed. I probably can't unjam it. As you can see, it's where it's jammed, where the chopper turns, it looks like it's rusted right to the case. I know this looks like a cast aluminum case, but there's a steel liner in there that it looks like it's rusted to. So since we already bought another Waste King, we'll just go ahead and put the new one in. As with all of the garbage disposals, you need to pop this plug out. And this plug, what it does is makes it so you can hook up the dishwasher so water will come through here and empty into the drain. Even though there's no dishwasher on this side, it does have an ice maker right here, which uses that drain to drain into here. So I need to knock this plug out. There we go. It kind of has a notch that kind of fits in there. Okay, I'm going to have to take this bucket out to get this to fit in. Well, I guess I can leave it in there. And the reason I am reusing this is because it is the same exact model, same exact everything. Everything fits perfectly. Real plumbers would probably want to replace everything, but I'm not going to, because everything's in perfect condition. Leak or have a problem, I will happily come back and fix it again. Just have to finish these screws up. Put this nasty hose on that keeps draining on me. I turned the ice maker off, but I guess unless you unplug it, it still drains. But we're good now. And I tend to over tighten things so they don't leak, but as I'm sure some people would say, Dean of Tools, don't over tighten that clamp. Okay, I just want to take one more swab of paper towel to make sure everything is dry before I give it a shot. Wind it around here a couple times or once so it doesn't. Well, there it goes. Well, that's not the switched plug. Ha! There we go. With the switch, it turns on. Okay, now I'm going to fill the sink full of water, turn that on, make sure there's no leaks. And this house has a lifetime guarantee by me because it's a relative. So if this happens to, hey, let's give it the test. Looks like it's up and running. Thank you. Be sure to subscribe.